I'm going to show you 7 companies that you can work for from home. Before I give you the list, let me remind you that my channel is all about making money. I create videos that show people how to make money online, especially with affiliate marketing. So if you're looking for ways and means of using the power of the internet to make money, then you're watching the correct channel at the right time. Like, subscribe, turn on the bell notifications so that you don't miss any broadcast from this channel. Thumbs up will go a long way because YouTube will share this video with more people like you. Thank you very much. I'm going to give you a list of 7 companies that you can use. Some of them are global. Some of them are just in limited parts of the world. But if for any reason you find that your country is not benefiting from my list today, let me know in the comments so that I can get opportunities that will benefit you in the future. The first company we are looking at is called cactusglobal.com. This should be a global opportunity. Science, technology, global impact. 4 words that can sum us up. Our aim is to be the voice of science, spread research through innovation in technology, help the scientific community reach a global audience, and create a meaningful impact on everyday life. You can just type in cactusglobal.com and then you can browse through, check and see what's on this website. They are in 191 countries, 549,000 clients, 1,100 research fields, 2,500 experts. Our brands, those are the brands. And some of you know these brands. Forging partnerships, our global presence, they're in London, so in Singapore, in Tokyo, and other places. So for you to find out the opportunities right here, you just click where it says careers. Our teams push for scientific advancement using innovative communication and technology solutions, right? Then you click join us there. As a leading employer in the researcher ecosystem, we look for people who can create exceptional value for our customers. All right. So they've got full-time opportunities, contractual opportunities, freelance opportunities, and internships. 1,000 plus in-house employees, 1,000 plus contractors, 3,000 plus freelancers, over 90 countries. Click that button, join us, and you can explore more. So the next company we're looking at is called transcribeme.com. Industry best information security. The services they offer: data annotation, transcriptions, translations, AI datasets, speech recognition. You can check the industries on there, enterprise support, and scroll down a little bit. Data annotation. Your data annotated and validated to train the best quality models. Where it is interesting for you is where it says jobs. You click jobs. Get paid working from home. Join the Transcribe Me professional crowd and start working on projects and make money. Okay, monetize your downtime. And when you become a Transcribe Me crowd professional, you will have access to the following: highest pay. We have the industry's best rates with earnings starting at $15 to $22 per audio hour and top monthly earnings at $2,200. So you can earn up to $2,200 with this company, right? Working from home. Just there are other details right there. Ready to join the team? You click get started. And the next company we are looking at is called Working Solutions Jobs. It says future in focus. Working from home as an independent contractor gives you the ultimate working life flexibility. At Working Solutions, we support you with ongoing education, community support, and the right resources to deliver exceptional customer experiences. Then you apply, or you want to learn more, you click that button. Right, let's look at the opportunities. You click opportunities. Select an opportunity below to begin your application. And you can see that these are US remote work from home opportunities, customer service specialist, youth sports customer service agent, Intuit table tech seasonal customer service agent, a bilingual Spanish sales and customer service representative, right? You just click the button that applies to you right there. Okay. So it says, do you love helping people? We do. And we're always looking for more like-minded individuals with unique backgrounds and service-oriented personalities to join the highest-rated work-at-home agent community. So you can scroll down the page and have more information. And the next company that we are going to look at is called Concentrix. Once you go to concentrix.com, you find that it knows where you are. And then it gives you your local website for where you are. You can see I'm in Manchester myself, so it's giving me opportunities in Manchester, in Newcastle, and Northern Ireland. These are the nearest places to me where the opportunities are. So these are the featured careers near me. Health and safety manager, you apply there. Banking customer service advisor, apply. Senior quality evaluator, apply. Team leader, Vodafone business to business outbound sales advisor, apply. Recruiter, you can see the jobs that are close to me. But then what you do is you search. You can find your career by clicking there. Infinite possibilities. Join a diverse global organization. You find your career. You can use the career finder, that one there. Okay, facility management, operations reporting, project management, quality sales, talent acquisition. Then you can explore further with those keywords. Set the jobs as well. You can check your locality. This is where you can find if your country is included. Even also find the jobs from here by clicking search jobs. And you can also search by your language. Okay, it's Chinese and Polish right there, French and English, of course. The next company is called VIP Kid. If you are a teacher, you've got an opportunity right here. Our global classroom connection citizens of the world, right? So this is a global opportunity. You can become a teacher from anywhere, from any part of the world. So you just click become a teacher right there. But before you click that one, okay, we are making education accessible by bringing together young learners and educators through one-on-one online classes. Become a teacher, right? Teach every child. One-on-one English classes mean more learning, awesome, and less distractions, also awesome. We believe geography should not impact the child's chance to learn. And with our online platform, educators can teach and the children can learn from anywhere. Fantastic. So you can teach from anywhere as well, right? Enable every teacher. Fantastic. Raise your hand to teach in a global classroom, right? And you can see as featured in Bloomberg, Business Insider, Fortune, Forbes, CNBC, and other places. If you click Become Teacher, you just see the form right there. You fill in your email address, create a password, and get started. You take it from there. The next company that you can work for from home, my friend, is called Appen. Our customers deploy artificial intelligence projects, okay, guaranteed accuracy with our industry-leading platform. All right. So the solutions, what we deliver, training data, data collection, and data sets, how we deliver, industries, technology, automotive, financial services, healthcare, government, retail. You can scroll down to have a look at the website, but customer running world-class artificial intelligence, right? These are the customers of Appen: Microsoft, Amazon, Adobe, Siemens, A12, Nextdoor. These are customers of Appen. The global partners for Appen is AWS, which is Amazon, Microsoft, IBM, that looks like Google Cloud. So for you to get the jobs, now you click jobs. Part-time flexible jobs. Work that can be done from anywhere in the world. So this is a global opportunity, right? You can do projects. Qualify for longer term or part-time opportunities, you apply. Then micro tasks. Work you can start right away. How it works, you apply. Surveys and data collection, then you apply. And that's it. Find more jobs. Corporate jobs, you learn more. Language jobs, and so forth. The last company that I'm going to show you tonight, and obviously this is not the list, right? It's called Lionbridge. Working remotely is our DNA. Virtual, high-performing teams ready to help testing virtual to meet your deadlines, helping you connect with your customers. This is their advert to their potential customers, right? But where it is interesting for you is here. Join our team. So you just click join our team, and then you can get the current job openings. Corporate associates. Be a part of what makes us run, from technology and finance to marketing and sales. Raters, annotators, and testers. Welcoming home-based workers around the world. This is a global opportunity. With flexible jobs, join our global community leading innovations in AI, okay? Artificial intelligence. Translators and agencies. Lend us your voice. Become a Lionbridge partner so you can learn more from there. Interpreters, we need your expertise to forge understanding when it matters most. Use your passion and expertise to deliver amazing gaming experiences around the world. So this is a global opportunity, like I said, and all you need to do is to just join, get in touch. So these are the 7 companies that you can work for from home, my friend. And if you want to learn the best way of making money online on autopilot, then check my #1 recommendation in the description below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next videos. Bye for now.